Welcome to Concepts, Chapter 7, Section Number 2, Compound Interest. Topic number 1, Standard Formula. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. In Zole, compound interest, amount, principal also detailed and explained in the bulletin. Formula number 2. If rate of interest is given as R% per annum, case 1, interest is compounded annually, interest is compounded half yearly, interest is compounded quarterly. A meaning in Zol explain the bulletin. Ama sa pena in case number 1, interest is compounded annually, a formula na beute. Compound interest formula to principal into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n kiti z na. So to akin kasi ni amount equal to principal into 100 plus R LCM kalale na chitin they are the same thing akibang bang ita ahile hichi formula hi ipiti is adiwham. For example, question jun rate equal to 10% per annum compounded annually hitai tiute ahile time equal to, for example, 3 years. Ahile formula hi amount equal to principal into 100 plus rate divided by 100 to the power 3. Iti ay gazi diw ham na. Iti ay zi law diw. Ipiti ihe diw ham ti ahile rate equal to 10% hile direct ka amount equal to principal into 100 plus 10 kiti to 110% hilawang 110% nung to 11 divided by 10 iti hilawang na. So directly rate equal to 10% hile directly 11 by 10 to the power times to 3 using. Hiti hin heute. So compound interest topic ahin. Abon si kaya hi iti formula he tam join za diwa hin. So step kat izam may usang to it will save a lot of space and a lot of time. Okay, example kat na bulletin. For example, principal equal to rupees 1,000 hai tiwte. The rate of interest is 10% per annum. 10% per annum compounded annually hai tiwte. अहिले laya hin time equal to, let's say, 3 years hai tiwte. अहिले laya hi hin amount hold ute. Amount I hold ding it will be principal into rate 10% is it will be 11 divided by 10 to the power 3. So this will be 1000 into 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. Cancel ka bola ile 1 to 1 into 1 to 1. 1331. Amount is this. Ile principal to 1000 iti na. Ile compound interest will be 331. Ile hilaya ka say num to amount hi ipiham, principal hi ipiham, compound interest ipiham. Formula hi very basic ito. Ile formula ho hi apply tip na ding hi a terms ho hi ipiham ti het ngai che. Any chapter ipi formula hi jang le terms ho hi ipi say na ham ti abon che ke het ngai. Ito hi het diu jang cha ka ta sanin hi jang explain hin bol ni. For example nang hin sum sang kat na hi cho. Benga invest na ga bole tiute. So this is 2020. Tu kumai benga sang kat invest na ga bole. Bank te chan compound interest na hin pi ucho. Nang hin kumthum invest na bol. This will be the first year, this will be the second year, this will be the third year. So akum thum na acho 1331. Na sum hi 1331 athinge ti na icha. Abula nang in sum invest na ga bol pa cho na capital cho principal hintin. Kum thum za wa sum na na iza cho this will be the amount. Ailelaya compound interest equal to 331 rupees iti hui piham tile. It is the interest generated for 3 years. A meaning to a full say dinga so it will be compound interest for 3 years na. Total compound interest for 3 years. People I say hum tile question ahi. Compound interest on the third year, on the second year, on the first year kiti problems are very common. Tizya so het theme dingo ahi. Ilaya hi compound interest kiti pa hi. A meaning to for 3 years na total interest during the total period of investment in ahe. Ahile to ay compounded annually, compounded half yearly, compounded quarterly ipiti na ham. For example, question chun rate equal to 10% compounded annually tiute. compounded annually. Compounded annually ati a hele chun kum khat ai interest khat bei bot iti nai cha. For example, na capital to rupees 1000. Hele this is 2020, this is 2021, this is 2022. Hele meaning to compounded annually ti hele chun kum khat ai interest khat bei na pi deu chu 10% hiding. Abana chu the next year 2021 to 2022 songa jong chu interest khat bei na pi deu kum khat ai interest khat bei bot ti nai cha. Okay, rate equal to, let's say, 40% per annum. Kum kada total interest of 40%. Compounded quarterly. Compounded quarter kiti jo 1 by 4. Kum kada live compound CDT na ito. 2, 3, 4. So 2020 kumacho. This is January. This is April. Na aile. Kum thung kaya jo total acho 40% per year ti aile chon live ya cheese acho divided by 4. First quarter at 10%, second quarter at 10%, third quarter at 10%, fourth quarter at 10%. Iti ha interest in video ay iba nga cho leeway compound si. Ahile a formula higa compare it. Compounded annually. Compounded annually equation to rate 10% per annum hindi beta per year tinaya na compounded annually titay. So in this case, a formula also it will be a into r hetu 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power n iti ucho na ale tu ay compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly ipal a formula new kat modifiable do. It will be principal ki loading 1 plus 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power n. Half yearly a ipal leton it's a half a multiply bolin lang n to reciprocal 2 by 1 a multiply leton. Chita banga to follow the same pattern. Compounded quarter kiti 1 by 40 na cha quarterly kiti. So amount equal to it will be 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power n itiyo here. Quarterly ipat le iti ay bolyo. This will be multiplied with 1 by 4. It is 4 by 1 multiply bolyo. So remember the pattern na. Topic number 2. Compound interest problem as successive increase in percentage. Compound interest problem kiti it is exactly the same as successive increase in percentage. Successive increase in percentage kiti chu video number 1.3 percentage topic atun kana cover. Ichi topic hi apoy mo khe je ahe detail ta explain kana bol hi na successive increase or decrease in percentage kiti chu. Ichi chu topic khat hi in abana chu unit price problem, abana population problem, price of an item problem, abana chu profit and loss azong kimang, abana chu discount azong kimang. Ele tu ahi the entire compound interest it is the same thing as successive increase or decrease in percentage na. So application ni sanga hi chi ja detail la kana bol hin. Abana til khat observe ka bol 1.4 group and parts kiti jong kho. It is very important. Apoy mo ja detail explain kana bol koi man sanga bebe se point. Group and parts kiti chu. Group and parts kiti problem hi it is also very common. Percentage azong kimang, abana ratio azong kimang, abana average azong 90% who group and parts problem hi. Abana data interpretation 100% of data interpretation who group and parts problem hi. Abana chu percentage azong profit and loss azong kimang, abana discount azong kimang. Ele tu ay mixer azong kimang kiti 100% of the problems of mixer chu it is group and parts problem na atam cho application sanga sang chime sangin tin hoi ta ka bole koi manang ne be se we piti ham. Okay, ahile successive increase in percentage problem ajpt enable jewam itila number khati so suppose if it increased by 10% hi bangale new number gp hetiwa it will be 100 the possible it will be 110% into all number it is hilong hilay number 2. Ahile it's number 2 ni ve increase ahile for example 20% increase ahigit ahile ipiti bol jiwa new number 2 it will be 100 to plus ka bol this it will be 120% into all number tia multiply na bol jiwa. So in this case it is exactly the same. For example, you have your principal rupees p hetiu question nung zo ya rate equal to 10% ati cho 10% per annum ati ala chun kum si a cho 10% akhang di ti nai chala. So hilaya number hung umpa cho it will be your amount for the first year. Hilaya 10 next year azang cho 10% increase ke ding hilaya number hung pot pa cho it will be your amount for the second year. Chata banga cho third year azang cho it is increased by 10%. Hilaya it will be number hung pot pa so it will be your amount for the third year. Topic number 3, common problems. Problem C type 8 okay nom kene. Problem type 1 basic problems formula apply bola hile ung pot jing ho ga veute. The sum of money which becomes this 2420 to amount touch na at 10% rate of compound interest after 2 years time equal to 2 years. Ahila question approachable liu dan to amount a ipat diu kati na amount equal to principal into 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power n kiti pi is additive cho na. Okay, in this case damute the sum of money which becomes this amount to 2420 hita equal to principal ki hello zi chen p hetiu 10% is to 100 to plus number 110% which is 11 divided by 10 is time to 2 ong to the power 2 kiti to into 11 by 10 tinizing chana. So cancel bowling I will get 220 cancel ball killing I will get 20. So langkara ako stay ni transfer ka bola I get p equal to this. So 2000 this will be the answer. A sum amounts to rupees this at the rate of 12% per annum compounded annually after 3 years. What is the value of the principal? Principal ke hello. In this case this is the amount, this is the rate, this is the time. Formula dung zo ya chu 7727.104 equal to principal into 12% is ya chu 112 divided by 100. Question dung zo ya chu time to the power 3. Ai le 112 to chi cancel thei di cho na ipt cancel di ham bang cho I don't know. Ai le option ni ka be da hi le this will be this is 5. This is digit sum to 7. Chi digit sum to 5. Chi digit sum to 7. Chi digit sum it 10 3 13 1 plus 3 4. Chi digit sum it 10 digit sum is 1. So digit sum chu ma hi ze a number hi cancel ka ball pe la win thin chi chun digit sum ga zak thing. So 2 plus 7 9 9 so it is the same thing as 0 is allowed you 7 plus 7 it will be 14 14 so it will be 5 and laya he point ho so it is the same thing na. So this is 5 5 plus 5 10 10 ke so 1 plus 0 it is 1. So digit sum is 1 langkhat i 1 hita digit sum langkhat so 4 hilawang 1 plus 1 plus 2 to 4 4 to the power 3 4 into 4 into 4 stay ni to 16 which is 7 1 plus 6 7 7 4 are 28 28 kiti so 2 plus 8 10 10 kiti so 1 hising. So p into 1 anui lang 1 hile ignore thai das na digit sum so 1 plus 0 hile digit sum so 1 aum lo ta bang ta so achung lang digit sum so 1 he ti tau chuna meaning to lang khara transfer ka bole digit sum to 1 hi te te ngai. So this will be the correct answer na. Digit sum concept bi het thim la wile 3.2 average video number 3.2 average on the top bit level. Special case finding time. The compound interest on 30,000 at 7% per annum for n years is this. The value of n is Okay, like principal compound interest abana rate So we have lots of options. Formula tamta compound interest formula na za ham EP formula na za ham teacher na bui mai thai cha na. Tis the achu abula cha explain ka bol compound interest ai amount formula zangu de ka teacher na. So in this case principal cha question nung zu ya cha 30,000 teacher. Ele like compound interest EP ha it will be 4347 so today ni plus ka bole I get amount 34347 so amount 34347 divided by principal to 30,000 equal to 7% his it will be 107 divided by 100 to the power n. Okay, like I got say get length amount kiti to principal into 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power n iti hilawang. So principal to lang karaka so lai amount divided by principal hising low. So it's pen hilaya ka za equation nung zo ya to amount to 34347 ati principal to 30,000 he ati bana equal to 7% his ya to 100 plus 7 to 107 hising low divided by 100 to the power n it's yung po chana belew chan. Okay, time hold on the part le nai chi actual value ga kat le le ngai be se lo so iti hin bolote it's he 100 to the power n hi hilang zong hi 100 to the power something I express bol go tena achung lang chu ele khoti tantin 34347 hi in anui lang chu 3 into 10,000 hi lawang 10,000 geti chu to the power square so lang kha chu 107 to the power n hi chu ai le chute ni ki cancel thei ve ta 100 square hilawang ale langkhat so 100 to the power n a hi ale chun n equal to 2 hising loading chi ki cancel thei di ip number I don't know na okay ga cancel me ute 34347 divided by 3 solve bolta ta ding wala chun 1 1 33 1 3 2 a hile this will be 4 a hile this will be 12 1 4 4 a hile this will be 12 so this will be 279 so 11447 divided by 100 square it's 107 divided by 100 to the power n ai le to ahi achung lang chu ka hin cha danin 107 square ga hi beta equal to 107 divided by 100 to the power n calculation hoina bol ta ta hi ti na bol na so in this case n equal to 2 hising lawang a base ke ba hil a power ang ki ba te te ngai so n equal to 2 in zwa ka sei pen chu laya ko na he theizing he tai ka ti chana so exam hila chun ept volume khat den explain in bol exam hila chu time hold the hi phal amount divided by principal 30 li equal to 107 divided by 100 to the power n ele langkhat 100 to the power n hi ze achu langkhat jong hi 100 to the power n express bol de so equal to 107 divided by okay so jong 107 to the power n 100 to the power n sten yani ki cancel thei beta so if da hele 200 100 heta 2 2 so n equal to 2 ichi hiddi he kati cha in how many years will rupees 25,000 yield 8275 is compound interest at 10% per annum compounded annually. So amount divided by principal 25 1000 equal to langkada here 10% is the principal into 11 by 10 question nung yacho in how many years we have to find the time see 10 to the power n is the langkha jang 10 to the power n is sa level na so 25,000 khela chu I can write 25 into 1000 nale this is on to 25 into 10 to the power cube tin hizing lawang ale 25 to achung langa amount chung ki cancel thei ding a meaning chu langkha I 10 to the power 3 langkha I 10 to the power n so n equal to 3 hi te te ngai so 3 will be the answer correct option hi het legalizing hilawang itia calculation ga bol te te ngai lo pia na hisab kitab ba het thei ai jang hun jing hilo na What is the compound interest earned on rupees 80,000 at 40% per annum in 1 year compounded quarterly? Amount equal to principal into 100 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. Quarterly a part le 1 by 4 are multiply bolu times 4 by 1 are multiply bolu. So in this case, question chun compound interest hold in tina. Compound interest hold on anything also step number 1. Amount hold the utin. The principal to question nung zaya to 80,000 into 100 plus 40. 140 direct in ball po na. Compounded quarterly, compounded half yearly, compounded semi-annually ho. Okay, start. Rate to 40 into 1 by 4 divided by 100 time to 1 year into 4. Cancel ka bola, this will be 10. So this will be 80,000 into 110 divided by 100. 11 by 10 to the power 4. It will be 8 into 11 to the power 4 is chana. Azi to 8 zeroli into 11 to the power 4 divided by 10 to the power 4. So 10 zeroli tinay lawang 1 2 3 4 na. So 8 into this. Step number 2. Question chun compound interest hold into. So compound interest to it will be amount minus principal. Amount to 8 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 number lin ta ga multiply it so minus khat chu pia 80,000 cho iga isa bahile na. So number hi value chun each number hi we will get one number na. Each number hi number khat imu di which number 8 a ki chai di cho each number hi 0 a ki chai 8 a ki chai khat to 0 a ki chai khat cho minus se bola hi le chun 8 a ki chai te di cho na iga ve da hi le chun in this case 8 a ki chai khat bo se so this has to be the correct answer. Unit digit to 7, unit digit to 2, unit digit to 7 na. Ho hi ni chte ni minus se bol wa le chun we will get the correct answer. Correct answer to 8 a ki chai te ngai na. Okay, in this case, compound interest direct I hold on no mileage. It is the same thing. Amount minus principal hilaw. Amount minus principal tina ya. In this case, amount is at 80,000 into 100 plus 40 into 1 by 4 divided by 100 to the power 1 into 4 by 1 minus principal to 80,000 na. So they are the same thing. So this will be 10. So this will be 80,000 into 11 to the power 11 by 10 to the power 4 minus 80,000. So it is the same thing. Step harana ball side normal. So this will be 8 into 11 to the power 4 minus 8 1 2 3 4. Number here you can go and multiply if you want. 11 to the power 4 to 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 tina ya. It's 1 to 1 here. I'd say 1 to 1. 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 multiply na bowling. Abanats 8 to multiply na ball kitting. Answer na mo pa le 80,000 to minus na bowling. Na bola le chun hit na mo thau di cha. So unit digit ke balo pa le calculation jang hi ne khat chala ke ngai ji. What will be the compound interest on the sum of these for 2 years at 12% per annum if interest is compounded 8 monthly? Hilaya hi rate to per annum per year. Hilaya compounded 8 monthly. Khat year khat month ke bang telaw unit ke ba sa ngai. 8 monthly ke ti chu 8 divided by 12 months hi ji chu it will become yearly. Monthly ke ti chu 12 divided na bol it will become yearly 2 by 3. Okay, interest is compounded 8 monthly, meaning to piham till after every 8 months compound cheating. Elol interest generate ke bolding. So in terms of years, I say after every 2 by 3 years, interest will be generated. A formula dung zoi wa to compound interest equal to to hin amount minus principal iti which it's ilong thima ko yutin amount ke it will be 31250 into 100 plus r it in this case 12 into 2 by 3 divided by 100 to the power time. Question dung zia cho time to 2 to into 3 by 2 minus principal to 31250 hai cha. So in this case this will be 4. This cancel ka bola, I will get 31250 into 108 divided by 100 to the power 3 minus 31250 hai tai. I let hi ka vet ke dai le chun digit sum is 6, digit sum hi this will be 11 ki ti cho 2, 8 plus 1 9, 9 hi le 0 to ta na 0 plus 1 plus 6 it is the same thing as 7. 8 plus 1 to 9, 9 is the same thing as 0, 0 plus 6 is 6. Unit digit chom chi ta cho okay cha te ni wang hi aki bang so ga risk ko te thayam hi thailo ham na multiply na bol ngap la wala chun iti unit digit sama ko nang bol thaying. So it's 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, so 2 into this is 1 plus 8 9 9, so it is the same thing as 0 hello. So 0 to the power 3, so this whole thing, this whole number it becomes 0 as it's 2 into it is 0 na. So 0 minus this will be 5 8 9, 0 minus 2, so answer to minus 2 akitsai minus 2 ahile 9 na minus legend you will get 7. So digit sum is 7. Compound interest, so it is a number khat it's a number pa cho lai khat pen hi cho ele ai hon ni sai chu pm de it's a number pa a digit sum to 7 hi ngai itiu chu ai lai hi digit sum hi 7 chu khat bo same hi ja chu chilai thei chilo this is the only option available, so it has to be the correct answer. Problem 3. Difference between compound interest compounded annually and compounded half-yearly or quarterly. Case number 1. Compound interest for 1 year compounded yearly versus compound interest for 1 year compounded half-yearly. Compare bulletin. Investment ni langkadai hi first investment, langkadai second he tiute. Ani ai 1 year hi ngai. 1 year langkadazang 1 year. A condition ho chana ani ai 1 year. Hilangai for example R person per annum. Langazang the rate to same rate hi ngai R person per annum. Langkadai compounded annually. Compounded annually. Langkadai compounded half yearly. Hida bang kia sadi ngai shortcut formula cha. Compounded half yearly. Ahile hilanga compound interest to 1 he tiute. Hilanga compound interest to 2 ki bang lo di so amate ni na. Hilanga compound interest compounded half yearly pa hi a value tam sa di chu. I formula dung zoi wa cha amate ni difference. Hilanga compound interest minus hilanga compound interest to difference tange. Amate ni it will be the same thing as R by 2 into R by 2 divided by 100%. Hi a percentage size at hi cha asumane seinu male into principal na. In this case principal ki bang hi cha. It's a formula by heart then na ahung kondo na hi successive increase in percentage ako na ahung kondo cha. Problem hi common thaw hi zichin shortcut formula hi by heart dingin ka hin recommend. What is the difference between the compound interest on this for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded yearly and half yearly? Explain ka boling. Ani ai time ong chu 1 year hita na. 1 year hita abana chu same sum hilawang same principle. Same principle langkarajang same principle. Ali langkadahi 8% per annum interest rate ong chu langkadahi 8% per annum interest. Ali langkadahi compounded annually. Langkadahi compounded half yearly ati. So conditions of is satisfied ta. Just as a formula applicable to you. Direct difference to R to 8 R by 2 to 4% divided by 100%. A percentage size is a suma hit no mile into capital to multiply na ball 12500. Percentage hit so divided by 100 tinaya. So then it to cancel ka ball. I get this. So then you cancel balling I get 25. Cancel ka ball like this 4 rupees using. 0 ka ay ki mansa. laya 5 so cancel ka bola le 5 20 rupees is so exam hi le chu to akazi ho je machaji ngai le question chu na sima hi le okay condition satisfied therefore difference will be 8 hi le 8 divided by 2 4 into 4 divided by 100% asuma sai denga chu 12500 percentage of 0 ni cut this will be 25 cut 5 so the answer is 20 type value na so part lut lo formula by our dialect. What will be the difference in compound interest on a sum of this at 8% for 1 year when the interest is paid yearly and half yearly? Conditions is satisfied. 4 into 4 divided by 100% into capital to 7800. So it's then about this. Ale to I then he cancel the hit na azi to point no he divide hung be razadi. So 78 into 16 mahi multiply bola legend it will be 48. 8 so this will be 48 4 in hand this will be 42 46 abana to 78 so 8 4 48 na so this will be the correct answer abona na volume 11 1148.48 11 here 12.48. The difference in compound interest on a certain sum at 10% per annum for 1 year when the interest is compounded half yearly and yearly is this. What is the simple interest on the same sum for 1, 2 by 3 years at the same rate? Okay. Problem here 2 parts na. First part is process ball palute. Difference to a formula ding zoi wa chu 10% is 10 divided by 2 5 into 5 divided by 100% into capital ihet lao ala question nung zo ya chu difference to 88.8 ong chu 18 point lo do tang so cancel ka bola this will be 20 cancel ka bola this will be 4 so meaning to this will be p divided by 400 denizing chana. So cancel ka bola hile I get principal equal to 888 into 4. This is equation number 1. Abana to second part of the question. What is the simple interest on the same sum for this? Okay, at the same rate. Okay, simple interest all the outin formula dung zoi wa to principal. Principal into rate to 10%. Into time to 1 2 by 3 it is simply 5 by 3 years is in. So 0 cut 0 ni cancel ka ball abana chu 24 cancel ka ball cancel ka ball I will get 2 ahile 6 28 9 ahile 27 18 ahile 6 296 296 into 4 5 are 20 so this will be 2 1 in hand 2 0 ke chai khat bo same so this has to be the correct answer 2 1 in hand 18 19 1 in hand 4 5 5 9 2 0 so this is the correct answer. Case 2 others. What is the difference in compound interest earned in 1 year on a sum of this at 40% per annum compounded quarterly and annually? Ita bang ain formula point na. Chisi acho I hold out ngai ta sa ni niya. Okay, rupees 10,000 hi ania 1 year. Ba na rate on to 40%. Two types of investment. Ama sa pa to compounded quarterly. Second type pa to compounded annually. Question jan amate ni difference hold inti chanale. So a formula am na wintin direct hilanga compound interest hold audio hilanga compound interest hold audio. Okay, ilanga hi amount is that hide it will be principal 10,000 into 100 plus 10 rate to 40 divided by 100 to the power in this case 1 year compounded quarterly hele 1 by 40 na chana. So in this case 1 by 4 are multiplicable, 4 by 1 are multiplicable 4. So cancel ka bole, this will be 10. So this will be 1 2 3 4. This will be 110 divided by 100, 11 divided by 10 to the power 4. So cancel ka bola hele, I will get this. Langkara chu compound interest chu, okay, langai compound interest ga hold on lai 11 to the power 4 minus principal chu 10 to the power 4 is chana. So I langa compound interest chu, it is simply 40%. 40% of 10,000 is in. So cancel ka bola langa it will be 4,000 is in. So to hold within abona multiply bol di hum let smart ta multiply bol di hum 11 square minus 10 square bana 11 square plus 10 square ki bang chana che a square minus b square hele a minus b a plus b is in law. So this will be 121 121 121 plus 102 221 langkara 4,000. So 221 into 21 it will be 1 chai khat to 0 chai khat 1 chai de wanga cho option ni so I cannot abona call dot dating 442. So this will be 4641 langkara compound interest of 4641 langkara compound interest of 4,000. So a martin difference to even island 641 is in. So this has to be the correct answer. Problem type 4. If a certain sum at compound interest become x times x times x langapang in t1 years 1 by t1 y times in t2 years at the same rate of interest, then x to the power 1 by t1 equal to y to the power 1 by t2. It's a formula in by heart la wazang la chan khobe se lo. A sum of money placed at compound interest double teacher 2 times in itself in 5 years. So 2 times in 1 by 5 denizing. It will amount to 8 times of itself at the same rate in how many years? You don't know. Question 8 times to the power times you don't know. So 2 to the power 1 by 5 ay lang karazong to a base ke basa ngay say 2 to the power 3 is in lawang 2 to the power 3 into 1 by t. Let's say a base ke bangta ay le. So 1 by 5 equal to 3 into 1 by t. T lang karaka sola ay le, I will get 15 years. So the answer is 15 years using formula na sa ahila. Formula na by heart pailawa hila iti ay na boltay. 5 years sila hin double t ito. 5 years sila hin double t. So after another 5 years, it becomes 10 years na. Langkat di it will become double. Langhi 2 times is acho double hinted, it will become 4. Abana to langkat di after another 5 years, that means 15 years. It will become 8 times na. Langkat plus 5 plus 5 sile double hizi acho. So another 5 years langkat double ticket, another 5 years double ticket. So the answer will be 15 years. A sum of money placed at CI doubles itself in 4 years. 4 years I double T 2 times. In how many years it will amount to 4 times? 4 times adang. So intin bolot 4 years it double hiziacho plus 4 ka bola, it will become 8 years. Ang kadacho double T hiziacho into 2 ka bola, 2 into 2 4. So the answer will be 8 years. Formula dung zo yacho double at hiziacho 2 into 1 by 4 equal to langkar equation 4 times time ihet laud this. So 2 to the power 1 by 4 equal to chizong to 2 to the power 2 into 1 by t. Anui lang ke baze acho achung langjong ke bangding equal to 2 into 1 by t. 2 by t tizing taute langkara ka solid t, langkara ka solid 8. So anin ya ke bang na. You have 2 methods. Problem 5. Time is given as mixed fraction. For example, 2.5 years. Tibel 2 by 5 years kiti. Hita bang huahi compound interest formula ini khatong chum di cha. T a by b years a bang hai lechun to the power t layapang abana a by b layapang. Kadega explain unte amil chi num ading. 100 plus r by 100 to the power time it is which in this case time to question chun 2 by 3 hetivte. So in this case formula ipt modifiable you ham dile a equal to ama sa pena chu p 100 plus r divided by 100 into 2 chu laya den intin into 1 plus r divided by 100. It's a pen here 2 by 3 ga multiply le chen. Si formula hin na by heart la wa hi le upai dang poi a certain sum amounts rupees this at 15% per annum in this interest compounded yearly. The sum is, so this is the amount 4205.55 equal to principal into 100 plus 15 divided by 100 to the power 2 by 5 tacha 2 by 5 was epiti bolitiwa 2 to dending abana into 1 plus 15 divided by 100 into 2 by 5 itai bolitiw chana option ka vetle digit sum is 5 digit sum is 9 hila while 0 the same thing. Digit sum is 3 digit sum is 8. So digit sum zangleng I will get the answer. So in this case cancel masaleng atom answer this. Okay, so 5 to 4 it is 9. This is 10 plus 2 12 into 12 kiti 1 plus 2 3. Digit sum to 3 hitai p. So digit sum to this is 1. Digit sum to 6. 1 to 6 to plus ka bole 7. Anui lang digit sum mon hizi at so I can ignore to the power 2. Abana ko 1 plus is that 2 to 3 to into it's on into his it's an inzole and a plus khanate number chum hintin. So it's then multiply his as a multiply legend. Digit sum 3, digit sum 2, so it will be 6. Anui lang to divided by 100. So 1 ahin ignore out. So 3 equal to p into 7 tumbai multiply ke ball so 7 into 17 right? Multiply ke ball this two will be 49. Tisong to 49 into 9 plus 4 is 0 to ke bang lawang this will be 4 is ay lawale plus lesson 13 na moving 13 to 1 plus 3 4 hilawang so 9 to 0 hintin. So this will be 4 into 7 to 28 to 10 it is 1. So digit sum of the answer principal has to be 3. So this has to be the answer. The compound interest on a certain sum at 10% per annum for this is this. Interest compounded yearly. The sum is to ada zon nakibang na question nung zuya cho compound interest is this. Okay, this is the compound interest. The sum is option so ke dahile 9. This will be 12 3. This will be 9. This will be 12 1 2 3. This is sum is 3. This is sum is 9. This is sum is 6. So calculation in volume. This is sum jo 9 hiya lewang jo it fails na 3 or 6 hiya lewang jo correct option in muthai dio. Compound interest formula cho amount minus principal iti jo na ay lawahile abaila ma direct acho principal into 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power n minus 1 iti hilawang p common na la dawahile. So it's a formula is a lodi ka tiwangin za ate ite ngai tain question nung zo ya chu 1.60 equal to principal into 100 plus r cái tí chỗ 10 divided by 100 time cái tí chỗ 2 1 by 3 tí chỗ 2 1 by 3 hi le 2 chỗ đan in tin 1 by 3 khi là chỗ 1 plus r cái tí chỗ 2 by 3 2 by 3 thì okay 1 by 3 bana chỗ minus 1 cái hi chỗ na divided by 3 this is some applicable part divided by 3 alien danger in here let's be very careful na so equal to p number hoiga cancel masang divided by this square it is sung to it will be 30 achung lang to 31 abana ko minus 1 ome so it's in a number tata involve masang na this is some anui lang 3 ki apply thelo e wanga chulang kara transfer ka bol pal apply ki bol thei is it's number tata pa ka bol masang so it will be 11 square into 31 LCM kala le 10 into 30 minus 10 into 30 long LCM kala le langkara chu 1201.60 ale tu hin langkara transfer leng into 10 into 30 okay to ai anui langa 3 talo na tu hin digit sum apply bolute so in this case 6 7 8 9 cancel ka bole this will be 1 into 1 into 3 langkara chu principal chu 11 square ke ti chu 11 square ke ti chu 1 plus 1 11 into 11 ti nai chu this will be 2 this will be 2 2 into 2 4 so 4 into this will be 4 minus 1 into 3 it will be 3 so langkat to 3 hita p langkat is 16 16 minus 3 16 jong to 1 plus 6 7 7 minus 3 4 equal to 4p langkara ka solid 3 by 4 aile anui lang hi 1 hi sa diu into 7 into 7 aile 28 hita 10 1 anui lang chu don ta loading achung lang chu 7 into 3 it is 21 2 plus 1 3 so the answer will be this a sum of rupees 8,000 invested at 10% per annum amounts to this in a certain time interest compounded half yearly what will be the compound interest on the same sum for the same time at double the earlier rate of interest when interest is compounded annually 7 plus 2 9 this is sum 7 11 plus 2 13 this is sum 4 10 plus 4 5 this is sum is 5 so this is sum ki apply thayam na apply bol thai mi thewe question need two part a sum of this amounts to this okay question nung so ya chu compounded half yearly this is the amount this is the principal ahile 9261 divided by 8,000 amount divided by principal chu 10% ahile chun 100 plus 10 divided by 100 to the power time ke teacher question nung ya chu ke hello ele to I compounded half yearly is ya chu it's 2 by 1 2 a multiply ka bowling it's 1 by 2 a multiply ka bowling I get 5 ele so 9261 divided by 8,000 equal to 105 divided by 100 5 a cancel ka bole 21 divided by 20 achung langko to the power 2n langkhat to the power n hi phale langkhat dong ti ai right hand side ta bang bangai express equal zero si 8 cube ki ti so 20 cube hi cha he diu khat chu 9261 ki ti very common ama jang hi 21 cube cha by heart thei cha 20 to the power 2n chu jang chu itin jing achung lang cube anui lang cube jang chu to the power this so a base ki ba pha da chu 2n equal to za tha 2n equal to 3 aile n equal to 3 by 2 years ahi 3 by 2 years ahi let's say mixed fraction expressive bolongai 1 by 2 years ta okay problem is how question hold into second part of the problem what will be the compound interest on the same sum for the same time at double the earlier rate of interest okay compound interest hold into it will be principal into 100 plus double the earlier rate ti lawang abula cha 10% ile twi 20% divided by 100 time ke ti chu pi ha 1 by 2 years it's minus 1 ga hinalai compound interest hi zia chu so it will be p into 120 divided by 100 to the power 1 into 1 plus 20 divided by 100 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 ga hidit sa ona so number li ne so in this case okay number hi hung ko ti ha be se lo pe so principal equal to principal jong chi zat he tiwa 8000 hi cha ona okay enjo pha ji tang so this will be 12 divided by 10 habana to into this will be 10 11 by 10 banai minus 1 agati okay multiplying up the point na so principal to 8000 ati into 12 by 10 into 11 by 10 minus 1 I like digit sum to this will be digit sum to 8 into it's a digit sum to anui lang to 1 1 la low 3 into 2 6 minus 1 it will be 5 say 5 eta cha I like 8 into 5 40 4 plus 0 4 so the answer will be 2560 the ga che go ti so 8000 into 12 into 11 to 132 minus 100 divided by 100 cancel ka bola okay this is sum ke bol hi jong la ha be se lo pe into 32 this will be 6 1 in hand 24 25 2560 so at the end Problem 6. Different rates of interest for different years. It's a problem is successive increase or decrease in percentage ato ke bangta cha. Problem unavailable it will be clear. An investor invested his savings in the stock market. The value of his investment increased by 12% and 9% in the first year and in the second year respectively. If the value of his investment after 2 years becomes this, then how much he had invested? Okay, abulahi investment to kehelo it is rupees p hetute. So question nung ya to first year to 12% increase, abana to 9% increase, and finally it becomes 976640. This is the new number, this is the old number. A formula dung wa to 97664 equal to this will be 100 to plus ka bole 112 divided by 100 into 109 divided by 100 into principal. Chi cancel ke bol thading cancel na bol ngap lawa hele. This will be 9. This will be 12 ilawang na 3. This will be 9. This will be 8. Risk ga ke bol le. So this will be 9. This will be 10. This will be 10. 10 to 1 plus 0, 1. This will be 13. 13 kiti to 4. 4 plus 1, this will be 5. Equal to langkadahi 1 plus 1 plus 2, it will be 4. 4 into, this is 1 plus 9 is 10. It is 1. So 5 divided by 4 into P. Langkaraka solid 5 divided by 4. Anui lang 1 hisa ding. 1 hisa na ding nga to into 7 na multiply ka bole 7 na multiply ka bowling 35 ke so to 8. So the answer will be this. Bangkot no may 8,000. 80,000. A invested an amount of X rupees in a bank for 2 years, which gives 5% interest in the first year and 6% in the year 2. The amount received after 2 years is this. What is the value of X? Exactly the same. Abulahi 5% interest, abanato 6% interest. Abulahi X at the question 2, 4, 2486 hong kiso. So 24486 equal to 105 divided by 100 into 106 divided by 100 into x. If I highlight, this is 5, this is 4, this is 9, and this is 8. So this is some bang ki apply to him in this case na. So okay, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, so 1 to 10, so this will be 14 5, 1 plus 5, this is sum to 6. Langkad ahi 1 plus 5 6, 1 plus 6 7, 6 into 7 42, 42 to 6. So 6 equal to 6 into x. Cancel ka bola hile, x equal to 1 kamo. Okay. Aboy na hi 6 divided by 6, x equal to 6 divided by 6. Anui lang 6 umpat len digit sami apply ke bol the zi lo cho. Zi a cho apply bol na wang wa di lo dan hi. For example, 24486 divided by 105 into 106 achung langa ka solal into 100 into 100 equal to x ke su cho. Ichi anui lang to 6, anui lang to 7, 6, 7 are 42, 6. Anui lang 6, ahi lau le 3, ahi lau le 9 umpat len. This is sum apply ki bol the lo na. So in this case, this is sum ki apply ki bol the lo. This is also answer di lo imo khau cho. Aki apply the lo ji he na. Actual value aga calculate the ipiti momong ham. 24486 equal to 105 divided by 100 into 106 divided by 100 into x. So cancel bola 21 divided by 20. It's a option he but he like divide is okay just on here so this will be 53, this will be 10. Tun bang cancel the mong tan. So 53 to 21 to multiply ball masalan divide ni by ball function it in ball nge. So this will be 6, this will be 10. So 1113. So 24486 divided by 1113 hele 2226 2 hintin 2226. This will be 2, this will be 2 2. Okay, 2226 22. Cancel ka bola, this will be 22. So 22 0 thum hai equal to x. So this is the answer. Problem 7. Amount in the second year versus amount in the third year table. Ito bang problem hoy na beote. Question number 18. If the amount received at the end of second and third year at compound interest on a certain principal is this and this respectively, what is the rate of interest? Amount received at the end of second year teacher amount for 2 years in hazing. Amount received at the end of third year teacher amount for 3 years in hazing. Na hita bang problem hoy amount ten he divide the answer posing cha. So amount on the third year is A3 ting ahead num dingin. Amount in the second year to ahead num dingin A2 ting. Ele A3 ke teacher piha principal into 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 3 hilawang divided by anui lang chu. It will be 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 2. Principal to principal cancel ke bolintin chate ni jong hi a3 divided by a2 ke teacher you will get ke bang chuna 100 plus r by 100 100 plus r by 100 cancel bulletin you will get 100 plus r divided by 100. It's in a mode achung lang chu cube, for example x cube hetiu anui lang chu x squared cho cube ke teacher a meaning chu piham x thumwei ke multiply ti nai cho na square ke teacher ni ve multiply ti nai in cancel bola hile we will get x alone na. So in general a3 divided by a2 equal to 100 plus r by 100 na amount or ratio khat de ga ve te chata banga chu a4 by a3 zong hi direct we can write like this 100 plus r divided by 100. Let to in a5 divided by a3 hetiu te 4 3 3 2 difference khat bo se chuna ile tu I 100 plus r divided by 100 mama cho hiding, but it will be 5 minus 3 to the power 2. Lai hyperbolize zi lo hom tile 4 minus 3 to the power 1 to the power 1 hial, it is the same thing na. So it is only formula danin gelute, formula dan gelutin hita bang problem ho solve man pol nai man deu here. So problem solve ka bol phat le iti ai abon bona zi lawana direct a iti ai ka hin zi di cha a3 divided by a2 equal to direct a 100 plus r divided by 100. 18 has zingut ala question dung ze ya chu a3 to 10272 a2 to 9600 equal to 100 plus r ke hello 100 plus r divided by 100. So cancel the ball at this today need to cancel the ball the intin direct in divide balls in tang. So 96 ele 1 intin 96, so this will be 6. Okay, 7 hung khila dividable thelo ja 0 ka hop 2 hung khila 6 7 are 42, 4 ele 63, 4 67. So cancel ka ball, this will be 107 langkhat 107 100 plus 7 hingai ta chna le so the transfer ball and you will get 7. So the rate of interest is 7%. A sum amounts to this in 3 years and this in 6 years. To a3 to amount in 6 years a6 certain rate of interest per annum ki hello the sum hold on. Okay, तो I amma sa pe na hin a6 divided by a3 bol le hen formula dung ze ya chu 100 plus r divided by 100 iding to the power 3, 6 minus 3 it will be 3. Question dung ze ya chu 12042 divided by 8028 equal to 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 3. Langkhat zong hi to the power 3 thayam khabega check ote 12042 chu. Okay, 2 in divide bolote 2 are dividable while this will be 6021, this will be 4014, this will be 2007, this will be 3 2 aki cancel thai boy 6021. Okay, twice 6 7 8 9 9 zo aki cancel thai 4 8 9 9 a cancel ke bol thai 9 a cancel ka bola hi lechun I will get 60212 9 and 96 are 54 62 96 are 54, this will be 819 669, so I will get 669. Let's say 9 a cancel ka bol 4 ele 36 41 4 3 27 thelo 4 36, so this will be 54, so this will be 446 langkhat e 446, so this will be okay 446 kiti, so it will be 2 into 2 2 3 abana 669 kiti ko 3 common kala dole 2 2 3 a meaning ani hai 2 2 3 a cancel ke bol thai 2 2 3 a cancel ke bol I get 2 2 2 3 a cancel ke bol I get 3 cancellation so sawena, so 3 by 2 equal to 100 plus r divided by 100 cube hetai cancellation na chan phat so lut be se aile cube with low na red ki hold thai de low aile tu in amount na kon calculate bol get out a3 equal to principal into 100 plus r divided by 100 amount for 3 years, so to the power 3 low dia let why amount for 3rd years is at the question 8028 teach principal ke hello aile 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power cube, so 3 by 2 it use na okay 3 by 2 is in that, so it's he a value here 3 by 2 it ya the same thing is coming here, so it is 3 by 2 10 8 cancel ka bola this will be 2 26 18 7 21 6, so multiply bowling cancel ka bola this 2 lang kada soleng I will get 2 1 in hand 14 15 1 in hand 12, 13, 1 in hand, 5, 3, 5, 2. So this will be the answer. Problem type 8. Interest on the second year, third year, and so on. Okay. It's interest on the second year, on the third year ho hi. A hold on na formula ka hin simena. Formula na by heart ahila chun a concept be thu ta na get lawai jang le problem in a solve heading. That is the objective. Ale tu ahi notation. Compound interest for 2 years. For 2 years or to CI tiu chun ai lo le CI2 he tiu te. Ale notation hi I het him ding obin ai ho course na standard hilaw ai ho bose ni za diu. For example, on the second year, CI on the second year and ti alatun saw valve se chana ita bang chu itin hin ji ngo C2 abana chu koi CI on the third year ati banga hilatun jong chu saw base in ahead num ding in C3 C bo se jang na a meaning chu ita banga chu C4 ka hin ti alatun it means compound interest on the fourth year. C6 ka ti alatun compound interest on the 6 years mel chu na ka za di pa hi. Ahile formula to Cn equal to rate divided by 100 into 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power hilai n ahile n minus 1 into principal. Iti in formula ka in C me. For example lang in C4 na hold C4 ti to compound interest on the fourth year na hold no mahile chun rate divided by 100 into 100 plus rate divided by 100 into 4 minus 1 it will be 3 into principal. Question chun rate ahin pi ding, question chun principal ahin pi ding. C4 I hold do diu na. Formula hi na by heart daw na by heart la why la chun concept hi thu ta an het ngai. Case number 1. Compound interest on the second year or third year. Compound interest on the second year on the third year hold do ding. On a certain principle, the compound interest compounded annually for the second year at 10% per annum is rupees 132. Compound interest for the second year titu C2 ti nai lawang is titu equal to 132 ti. Question nung zai adu C2 equal to 132. Eho a formula dung zai wa chu C2 ki titu za tai de r divided by 100 into 100 plus r divided by 100 into 2 minus 1 1 into principal iti ucha. Question chun C2 chu pitia 132 equal to rate iti chu 10% divided by 100. 10% is ya chu 10 plus r 110 divided by 100 into principal. Principal chu ki hello I hold do dio. So mo 0 0 0 0 cancel ka bole I will get 1 2. So lang karaka sole 1 2 double 0 equal to principal hizing na. So this will be the answer. Formula na by heart ale beta solve dio. Case 2. Okay, question chun. Same type of problem but compound interest on the second year, compound interest on the third year, tia compare in bolding. Compound interest on the second year, compound interest on the fourth year, on the fifth year, tia year niya compare in bold. Hita bang case na vieute. Relation hi Cn plus 1 divided by Cn equal to 100 plus r divided by 100 ka hinti. Hiti zong hi inzo langa A3 divided by A2 equal to 100 plus r divided by 100. 3 minus 2 to the power 1. It is uchana A4 divided by A2 equal to 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 4 minus 2. It is uchana. The same thing is true for this. So for example, compound interest on the third year, compound interest on the second year, still need divide ka bola legend. I will get 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 3 minus 2 1 tinai cha. Chata banga to C5 divided by C2 hi banga legend 100 plus r divided by 100 eding a power to 5 minus 2 it will be 3 tinai cha. if compound interest received on a certain amount in the second year till C2 is 250, what will be the compound interest for the third year on the same amount at 12% rate of interest? C2 kipita, C3 kipita, hit abang problem ho, so it in panjing ta, C3 divided by C2, divide lechen it will be 100 plus R divided by 100. Question na simah lechen, compound interest in the second year, compound interest in the third year, anti lechen, okay, hit abang problem hi kab mukha hit abang problem hi C3 divided by C2 akapat de tigil do lechen. Aile question dung zo ya chu, compound interest, okay, C2, C3 a value kipi here. Second year is 250 equal to rate to 12 is to 112 divided by 100. So it's they need to cancel length. I will get 5 are cancel length. I will get 5. 2 cancel ka bole. This will be 56 multiply bowling. Okay, cancel on to 3 25 28. So the answer will be simply 280. So formula relationship kasi okay na by heart diw na. Min zong hiti ay solve ham kahet lopi. I don't know na. Kahin sip kahin problem ka veta study ka bola kahin sip solution wang cha hin mi ato ke bang mai the ke bang lo mai the. If compound interest received on a certain amount in the third year is this, C3 is this, teacher. What will be the compound interest for the fourth year, C4, teacher? So in this case, C4 divided by C3, okay, 100 plus R divided by 100 to the power 1. C4 divided by C3 to 1 to 100 equal to 109 divided by 100. Cancel ka bole this. C4 equal to multiply ka bole 9 agad sa ni multiply ka bole ite ngay. So 109 into 121, it will be 109 abanacho. It will be 18 to 18 abanacho 109. So 89 agad sa number is that nama. Cut both same, so this will be the answer. One, 3, 1. Divide by all. If the compound interest for the third year and fourth year on a certain principal is this and this, what is the rate of interest? C4 divided by C3 equal to 100 plus R divided by 100. In this case, R value kihat along. C4 to 135, C3 to 125 equal to 100 plus R divided by 100. Cancel ka bole 4, cancel ka bole 5. Cancel ka bole ay 2, 7. Multiply ka bole 8, 2 in hand, 10 equal to 100 plus R. Ay R equal to 8%. To I same problem but neo kat ng zat something. Difference of actual value between compound interest on second year versus compound interest on third year, etc. Ito bang problem mo? For example, a sum of rupees 15,000 is lent at 6% per annum. What is the difference between the compound interest for the second year C2, third year C3? Ay banga C2, C3 a value kipitalaw na. Banga question hi approach ibola no ke bangde C2 C3 ti alachan direct C3 divided by C2 ti do using, so it will be 100 plus R divided by 100. Leto I C3 C2 a value ki hatalaw na R jang R to a value ki he. Question chana do chu pi ha, what is the difference between compound interest actual value do ta chu in this case? So ita bang hi ipiti bol diu ham question chu anevet ka taw na. Problem solve the ball part lawin question or vet kazi taw comparative analysis bol ngai ji chu aki nan het lawa hi le question chu exam ahung le hoi che pen ham ti confuse na bol the hi ja chu problem type jang hi mail chi lew chun. So in this case C3 to C2 hi a value hi actual value hi ngai ta ale C3 divided by C2 ki teacher ratio hi cha na. Okay, zong chu C3 divided by C2 equal to 100 plus R chu that 106 divided by 100 ta chu ale ichite ni ratio chu na actual value hi lo chu so actual value no hol no male into k hi lo kia multiply ball chu chu na so in this case cancel ball it down na ka formula ka in sim ke den it's a formula is angutin formula ka in simin formula cancel na ball wa hele chun k value the formula will fail so ka formula sip gina za ding wa hele cancel loading question chani pi do a difference do chu difference adong so c3 minus c2 do chu c3 to 106k c2 to 100k minus lechun 6k na modi lawang question chu k value hi za nam ti chu k value hi pi a hidem k value chu a formula la hin ka hin sim r by 100 plus r by 100 n minus 1 hi chan hi into p in zo to formula ke bang na to I divided by 100 compare lewan compare lewan cn equal to r by 100 abana to 100 plus r divided by 100 abana n minus 1 into p iti wilawang ele tu ahi k kiti chu p ha r divided by 100 abana to 100 plus r divided by 100 abana to n minus 1 into p mama but divided by 100 so by heart ha be se lo pi na khat na by heart le anya na by heart ta bang ta chana okay problem na solve hote c3 c2 upon chun c3 divided by c2 equal to 106 divided by 100 cancel loading question chana do chu difference do ja chu actual value hold do ding so c3 to c2 to minus ka bola ile chun I will get c3 minus c2 to 106k minus 100k I get 6k k value to formula dung zu ya chu okay 6k he tiute so 6 into k chu k khela chu formula chi pi ha okay formula chu full a zini line ke ting he thime ding win 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power n minus 1 into p divided by 100 laya n kiti pai aneu za pa aneu za pa n so this will be 6 into r kiti chu 6% ti hilawang so 6 divided by 100 into 106 divided by 100 into n kiti chu aneu za pa kati chana 2 minus 1 1 into principal chu 15,000 divided by 100 this will be our answer so cancel ka bola le this bana chu dang cancel thai ma cancel ka bola this so 6 into 106 into 10 hi multiply ka bola I get 90 anui langa chu 1 2 3 cancel ka bola this so 6 into 106 into 9 divided by 100 if you answer pot am ga veut 106 into 54 106 into 96 are 54 this will be 24 4 in hand this will be 35 so 5724 I get 57.24 so the answer is 57.24 cross check ka bola hele chun 57.24 mama pot he na so for this problem I think the answer will be this hin check win lang if I am wrong please let me know a sum of rupees 18,000 is lent at 10% compounded interest compounded annually. What is the difference between the compound interest for the third year and fourth year? Okay, C4 divided by C3 equal to 10% is equal to 110 divided by 100. To ahi cancel loading k question hold into difference to 110k minus 100k to 10k is in 10k k khelachun I will write r divided by 100 into 100 plus r divided by 100 to the power 3 minus 1 2 into principal to 18,000 divided by 100 it is na so this mana 1 2 1 2 so achung lang hi 11 into 11 divided by nu lang so 10 into 10 into 180 cancel routine so this is 1 to 1 into 18 this is 8 6 1 in hand 9 so 1 to 1 8 7 1 2 So 217.8 na, divided by 10 is the answer. This will be the answer. Okay, we have come to the end of section 2. Section number 3, next video let us solve the hintin relationship between compound interest and simple interest. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.